Hey guys, today we're gonna do a quick video about Ton blockchain and especially how to use Tonkeeper wallet. Lately, we've seen lots of really bullish and hyped Ton blockchain games, for example, Hamster Kombat. And it's really important to actually learn how to use Tonkeeper wallet, how to integrate it. That's why today I'm gonna show you all the features, how to use it. And lastly, I'm gonna show you how to actually connect it to different games and decentralized apps. So first of all, let's jump into the Tonkeeper website to see all the features and utilities this wallet offers. First things first, we can see where this wallet is available. So we can use it on the Apple devices because it's available for the iOS. Also, we can use it for the Android devices, and we have Tonkeeper Pro that we can use on different browsers like Chrome, Brave, Mozilla, and others. And lastly, of course, we can use it with a Telegram app. After that, we have different features this wallet offers. First of all, of course, we can receive money. Next up, we can pay for different services using QR codes, and we can swap different Ton blockchain tokens. Basically, it has really similar features to other wallets like MetaMask, Trust Wallet. In my opinion, this is a really cool wallet, really easy to use and has all the functionality we need. So now that you know that you can use this wallet almost everywhere, let's start off from the desktop version because this is what I'm using. Also, guys, don't forget to subscribe for more guides like this. So if you install this Chrome extension, you will have your wallet right here next to other extension. And as I mentioned, we have all of the functionality. So for example, in this wallet, I have 40 Ton blockchain tokens worth $304. If I want to buy more crypto, I can click buy, and it will open all the options for purchasing crypto in my region. So you can see how many different options we have. Next up, we can actually send the money. Add the wallet of the recipient, and you can send any of the crypto tokens you hold in your wallet. Next up, we have the button to actually receive the money. I think it's really important. Let's click it. And this will open our QR code and also our wallet. You can also find your wallet right here. If you click it, it will copy your wallet automatically. And the last one, if you want to swap your tokens that are in your wallet, just click swap, and it's super intuitive. You just click how many tokens you want to exchange for what tokens and continue. Again, everything is super easy. I think everyone watching my channel probably know how to do it. Now let's move to the app and how to actually connect Tonkeeper to your Hamster Kombat and how to do it in a safe way. So I'll open my phone. For that, also don't forget to download Tonkeeper for your device. For example, I have iPhone. So we can go to the airdrop button and click connect your Ton wallet. And this will bring you all the different options we have for connecting different Ton wallets to your Hamster Kombat game. So the first option, if you have no wallet, you can actually open your wallet right here, right in the game. But I think the better option is to actually create Tonkeeper wallet. So for this example, I already created my wallet on the desktop. Now I'll just connect the same wallet to my game. So let's click Tonkeeper, and this will open the website. And right here, we have, again, multiple options. If you don't have a wallet, if you don't have a desktop, you can actually create Tonkeeper wallet on your phone. But for this example, I actually have a wallet and I want to connect my existing wallet. So just click existing wallet, and this will ask me for the seed phrase. Once you sign up for Tonkeeper, you will have this 24-word code, which of course you have to remember because if you forget it, there's a big chance that you can lose your account. So now I have to put in my seed phrase and my password, and this way I will connect my wallet to the Hamster Kombat game. It's that easy. And I also recommend you to have a desktop version if you have a laptop, if you have any PC, because it's way safer and also you can see all the money in your wallet. It's way easier to transact. So this was just a quick tutorial showing you how to use it, how to install it, and how to connect it. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments or join my free Telegram. It's in the description and top comment, and we can chat live. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.